Hey, welcome to another episode of DIY Car Mods. My name is Jeff, and today I'm going to be upgrading my battery on my 2013 Honda Accord Coupe from the 4-cylinder 51R group battery to the V6 24F. And I'm going to be using this Bosch AGM battery. And this one is rated at 710 cold cranking amps. And my stock factory Honda battery is rated at 410. And here are all the V6 OEM parts for the battery tray and the cover, along with the tie down and the bars. I am going to be reusing these nuts. Now, if you are doing this upgrade, it is not necessary to purchase all this. The part that is really necessary is the bottom tray, because this bigger side battery is not going to fit into the tray that's down there. And the only reason why I purchased all of these extra ones are so that I can go ahead and keep it looking factory as much as possible. Now, if you watched my previous video on the top-down battery tester, it confirmed that this battery needs to be replaced, and so I'm going to be replacing that today. So the only tool you're going to need is a 10mm deep socket, and so I'm going to remove the tie down right here. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the negative first and then the positive, and I'm going to yank everything out. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap just a towel to keep it away. And then lift the battery cover up. And then lift the whole battery. Alright, and so here is the battery tray, so just lift that out. Alright, next go ahead and take the V6 battery tray, and there's going to be 2 notches right here. It has to correspond with the holes that's down there. And so line that up and put this in. And then place the new battery in. And then go ahead and put the battery cover. And then the tie down. Alright, there's going to be one long one and one short one. The long one goes to the front, the short one goes to the back. Okay, for the battery tie down, you see where the arrow is? This has to go to the front of the vehicle. And in the front, there's going to be 2 holes. We're going to install the longer bar. Alright. There is a hole that's right here. That's where the bar goes in. Way down there. And there is another. So it goes into the hole, like right there. And the front one goes in this way, inwards into that hole that I mentioned earlier. And remove the protective cover. You want to put the negative last. And make sure you don't accidentally touch the end of like a metal ratchet to the negative part. And remove the cover for this. Alright, so there you go. So everything fits fine. This is the new V6 24F battery. And the previous one was a Group 51R. That only had a 410 cold cranking amps. And this one is 710 cold cranking amps. And this is an AGM battery, which will last longer than a flooded battery. And the main reason why I got this battery instead of replacing it with another 51R is because I needed a bigger battery because of all the testing that I do and the electrical draw that I do when I do the product reviews. And so that's why I got this. And the reason why I got the AGM is the same reason. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll have all the parts that I use in this video in the video description below, so check it out. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers every month. And as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Alright, so after you change the battery, you'll get this enter code for your radio. All you have to do is go ahead and press the power button and hold. And there you go. It's done.